It's certainly a challenge to find the best items. Can be worthy of your hard-earned cash. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Literally, our team reviewed dozens of products, read countless reviews from the real users, and made our own rankings based on tons of factors including the product features, value for the money, the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links in the description, and let's get started.
The best programmable coffee maker. If you're looking for the best programmable coffee maker, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. Cuisinart CHW 12 Coffee plus 12 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker with hot water system. You won't have to fire up the kettle with this Cuisinart Programmable Coffee Maker, which comes with its own hot water system. The machine can brew coffee and get your favorite tea or snack ready at the same time with hot water on demand. The hot water is ready almost instantly. The hot water system is controlled via a power button and can be used even if you don't want coffee, or if you're already done brewing a cup. If you're wondering how hot the water actually gets, one user measured it with a digital thermometer and found it to be 186 degrees Fahrenheit. If your day can't start before you've had a cup of coffee, you'll appreciate this machine's 24-hour programmability. If you need to sneak a sip or two before the brew cycle is finished, the Brew Pause feature lets you remove the cup or carafe without making a mess. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 499808 Two-Way Brewer Coffee Maker. With well over 6,000 5-star reviews, the best-rated coffee maker on Amazon offers 2 ways to brew: a full carafe or single serve, direct-to-mug function, which one reviewer calls a great alternative to those expensive pods. Another writes, "I also need a coffee maker for company, and I wanted one that makes individual servings without those K-cups." This is a simple machine that's easy to use and quick to clean. One who describes themselves as living in a household of avid coffee drinkers sums it up. "We absolutely love this coffee maker. Simple, functional, cost-effective, affordable, easy to clean, durable, and makes an excellent cup of coffee." Number 3. Cuisinart's DCC 3200 14 Cup Carafe with Stainless Steel Handle Programmable Coffee Maker. Cuisinart's 14 Cup DCC 3200 improves upon its predecessor in so many ways that its reasonable price tag is hard to believe. The included water filter and permanent gold tone filter ensure you'll always have a clean pour, and it even allows you to pause the maker mid-brew in order to pour yourself a quick cup in case you're short on time. The feature-laden DCC also boasts adjustable brew strength, allowing you to make coffee that's as rich or as watery as you want. In addition, self-cleaning capabilities and auto shut-off timers make this one of the most convenient, versatile coffee rigs on the market. The 3200 features a revamped system that'll simultaneously make hotter and better-tasting coffee. However, the only drawback is its relatively large countertop footprint. This guy isn't terribly small. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER DLX 1050B Coffee Maker. This BLACK+DECKER 12-cup coffee maker proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to make an excellent cup of coffee at home. It was one of the few in our test that brewed coffee hot, kept it that way for a full 2 hours. It was also one of the most user-friendly models we tested. Number 5. Mr. Coffee 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. The Mr. Coffee is a classy-looking device with a lot of fantastic features. Though it's one of the more expensive options on the list, it offers a lot to back it up. On top of the other great features, this coffee maker has a truly great look. It's going to fit in well in just about any kitchen without becoming an eyesore. It also uses a transparent water window to allow you to watch the level and brewing process. As a great bonus, you'll also get a coffee ground scooper that will allow you to measure the amount of grounds per cup perfectly. Furthermore, there's a front-loading brew basket that will allow you to add the grounds very easily as needed. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to click that bell icon so you are notified of our review videos as soon as they come up.